Hi guys, I'm back again and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Again, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to everybody. And I hope you guys have a great week. So, now today, what we're gonna make today, our menu is a roasted cauliflower. Alright, let's get it started. Okay, what we need is 1 head of cauliflower and then cut them into pieces. 8 pieces of cherry tomatoes or grape tomatoes, cut them in half. And 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Just sprinkle a little bit of rosemary, maybe this one kind of like 1/2 teaspoon of rosemary, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper or less. It depends if you want a little more spicy, you can put more, but I suggest only 1/4 for 1 head. 1/4 teaspoon, okay? Tiny, or even less. You can put 1/4 or 1/8 teaspoon. It's a teaspoon, not tablespoon, teaspoon. Alright? 1 teaspoon of paprika. There. It's a pepper for coloring. We call it paprika here. Or paprika, whatever, however you pronounce it, paprika. Parsley flakes. 1 teaspoon. Chopped onion, dried onion, 1 tablespoon. Okay, 1 tablespoon of onion flakes. Okay, or chopped onion, dried chopped onion. Okay, let's do it now. First, we put our black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon or 1/8. I'll put a little less. Let's put 1/8 instead. I think that's too much for 1/4. There you go. 1/8 instead of 1/4. But if you want a little more spicy, you can put 1/4 teaspoon. There. We put all together. We mix all the spices or seasonings into a bowl. Okay. 1 teaspoon of paprika. We want the color. Alright, 1 teaspoon. Oh, and yeah, we need salt also. Sorry, I forgot about the salt. Salt. 1/4 teaspoon. Or more if you want more. Okay, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Put it there. A little rosemary. You know, it's your choice, guys. If you want to put, you can put any seasonings or spices that you like for cauliflower. Cauliflower, all seasonings or spices, everything, it goes well to a cauliflower. So whatever is available that you have, basil, Italian seasoning, whatever. But I'm gonna use a rosemary right now, just a little splash or a little. I think I said 1/2 teaspoon of rosemary. Okay. This. There you go. I think that's 1 teaspoon of rosemary and parsley flakes, dried parsley, or you can. It's even better if you use a fresh parsley. Okay, 1 teaspoon. teaspoon. And 1 table. And did I say 1 tablespoon of onion thick? Sorry guys, you can put more if you want. The onion flakes, you can put more or less, or you can, it's your choice. If you don't want it, it's okay too. Oh, I should put in this. Alright, then let's mix them together like that. Okay. Oh, it smells so good. Now, well, after you cut the tomatoes, put it in your baking pan. And now we put the, oh, and 1/4 teaspoon of lemon or lime. Okay. Sorry guys, I forgot about that. And now we're gonna put all of this in the baking pan. Like that. And let's toast let's put the oil. Toss it. Okay. 1 tablespoon of olive oil or whatever is available. But olive oil is better. You can use avocado oil, grapeseed oil, coconut oil. But I like the olive oil a lot. Okay. There's that. And what we're gonna do is we're just gonna toss them like this to get the coating to our cauliflower and tomatoes like that. Now, when it's all done like this, spread the tomatoes. Alright, then when it's done like that, now we can, so now we can put now our spices. But look, these are all the mixture of all the spices. The onion, dried chopped onion, the paprika, rosemary, parsley, and black pepper. Now we're gonna sprinkle a little bit in. Okay, save some of the spices for the garnish after it's cooked. Okay, but you put some stuff in there like this, because it's sometimes it tastes better when you put the seasonings when it's already cooked. But I will do both before I bake it, before I roast it, and after. So I save some, almost half, save some for later. And then your 1/4 teaspoon lime is you put it last when it's already cooked, the cauliflower. Okay. Yes. Oops, sorry guys. Alright, just do it like that, then sprinkle it all over like this. So that's what you're gonna do. Now, preheat the oven into 425 degrees Fahrenheit. I can't remember what it is in Celsius, but uh, and then bake it or roast it for at least 20 to 25 minutes, okay? But keep checking because sometimes it depends with the oven that you have. So you have to keep checking if it's done or not yet. But make sure don't take it out yet or turn off the oven if it's not done yet. You want to see the cauliflower um, turn into like a golden brown, okay? But not burn, golden brown. So let's put it in the oven now, and then I will show you guys later when it's cooked, okay? So I will be right back in a few minutes. Alright guys, now the cauliflower is done and I'll show you what it looks like. There you go. Now we're gonna put now our remaining spices. But first let's put the 1/4 teaspoon of lime or lemon. Okay, let me squeeze it. Alright, let's drizzle it, okay, with the lemon or lime. Just that, okay. I think I need to put a little bit more, just to squeeze a little bit more in there. Alright, now time to put our spices. And let's put all the spices, our remaining spices, okay? Let's just sprinkle all over here. There you go. Oops, so sorry. Slip. Alright, now we'll just mix it all together so it will get the coating on it from the seasonings. And there you go. There's the cauliflower. Our roasted cauliflower. Oops! It is so beautiful. Let's see it better. There. It's so beautiful. Let me try it. It's perfect. It's crunchy, but it's cooked. You know what, guys? If the salt is not enough for you, for your taste, you can add a little bit more. Okay, it's optional. And to me, this is good. This is perfect for me. So there you go, guys. My my roasted cauliflower. Okay. Sorry, guys. My roasted cauliflower. It's so good. Very, very tasty. It's delicious. So, okay guys, thank you so much for watching, and thank you again for joining me in my kitchen cooking. And I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you can enjoy the recipe, and you better try it. It's really, really good. So again, thank you so very much for your time. Thank you to all my subscribers, and to those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe my channel and support my channel. And again, I love you guys, and big hug to all of you. So have a great evening, have a great afternoon, and great morning, a great weekend. And before I go, like I always say, keep safe, stay healthy, pray all the time, and God bless you all. By the way, to all of you that are watching my videos, please share my videos to your friends or family or someone you know, or probably need some help for their health, for a better health. So feel free to share my videos. Who knows, maybe you will be the one or the person that can help that friend or family member or someone you know to get through with their health problems. So just share it to everybody, because I love sharing what I know about health and cooking. So again, guys, thank you very much, and God bless you all, and big love and big heart to everybody. I love you, and see you next time on my next video. Don't forget to click likes, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and share my videos. Thank you, guys. See you next time. Bye.